welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today, we're once again trying something new. What can I say? I love makeup. And I got 4 baked blushes from Moira Beauty. I love this brand. They always be popping out with beautiful things for an affordable rate. I feel like they're very underrated. But these are the Marvelous Baked Blush. And I have 4 shades: 001 Wedding Cake, 005 Rose Cupcake, 006 Strawberry Macaroon, and 006 Peach Cobbler. Which, fun fact, I love peach cobbler. I actually asked for me and my twin brother on our birthday, we get different cakes, and I'm asking again for a peach cobbler. I don't know what he's gonna get. Usually he does ice cream cake. He's not a huge sweets man. Honestly, I've kind of become not as much of a sweet person. Ever since I had stomach issues, eating is hard for me. I'm rambling. Let's get into the fun part, which is putting these babies on our cheeks so you can see how marvelous and cute they are. Be right back once I take all this off. I'm back in baby face. All I did was take makeup wipe, remove my foundation, all that stuff, and then I put my e.l.f. clarifying oil on. I've been really liking that face oil during the day. I just think it makes my makeup look better. And I'm also on my period, so it helps with breaking out. I'm just gonna put a light layer of the soft glam foundation from e.l.f. just to have something on. Just a little even out the base while we try out these blushes. Okay, let's go in with the first shade, which is Wedding Cake. I would say this is like a mauve with like a light silver peach shimmer. I mean, it's perfectly named Wedding Cake. I feel like this would be a good wedding blush. Chop in there. Ooh. This one's definitely on the light side. Kind of pack it up a little higher. What am I saying? I'm a part of the Too Much Blush Club. This is pretty typical of me. Yeah, this one's very light. You're lighter than me, it might show up better. Let's hope Rose Cupcake is better. I would say it's a deeper version of that and more pink. Oh yeah, see? I really like my favorite big blush is probably the Essence ones, but this is taking a run for its money. And I really love the Rare Beauty ones, but those ones are so freaking fragile. Mine came in the mail busted. They sent me a new one, and that one was busted, so I just gave up. It's 2, I got 2, and they're both busted. And these ones definitely are a little bit more sturdy. Okay, there is Rose Cupcake. Very cutesy. Obviously, you can just see this one more. Cute. Back. Okay, next is Strawberry Macaroon. I think it's gonna be my favorite. But anyways, I'm trying to find a dupe for the shade Cheer from Rare Beauty just because it's so fragile and it's expensive. I don't think I've found it yet. It's fine. Ooh. Ooh. Just like Princess Peach. Ooh, it's so pretty. Definitely my favorite so far. I feel like Sabrina Carpenter would like this one. Strawberry macaroon. I love macaroons. So far my favorite. This one is called Peach Cobbler. I think this is going to be similar to Luminesso from Milani. Ooh. I think it's very Luminesso, but a little bit more in like a sherbet tone, which I like. Let's put it on my nose. Peach Cobbler. Very peachy cobbler. Very different tones. It's giving Dunkin' Donuts. Pink and orange. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you picked out a blush you wanted. If you wanted to, or you just want to look at pretty pearls to brighten your day. But anyways, have a beautiful day or night wherever you are.